I don't know how this is going to fare, but I do believe that we're going to get a touchdown of a tornado over there. Yeah, we got a tornado way off in the distance there. She's touched, oh, just a touchdown and back. I touched though, did you see that? She's trying again. I think that's all she's got.